about to walk you through an installation of our products on a site that is doing a refurbishment project. Follow me. I'm now going to demonstrate how to install a trendy faucet on a pre-existing hole. First, you remove the nut on the bottom. Then you remove the gasket and the rubber. It's important that you keep the rosette on through the hole and the O-ring on the bottom. Slide all three through the existing hole. Now we're going to go underneath to reattach the gasket, the rubber, and the nut. After reinserting the hole, the gasket around the shank, I'm going to attach the nut to secure. Use a wrench to tighten the nut so that the faucet does not move. After the faucet is securely in place, connect the inlet water and connect also the electricity, the power. We're now going to go see how it works. Once you've connected the power, remove the sticker over the sensor. And wash your hands.